I still remember 3rd of December, me in a sweater. You said it looked better on me than it did you. Only if you knew how much I liked you. But I watch her eyes as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die. Why would you ever kiss me? I'm not even half as pretty. You gave her your sweater, it's just polyester, but you like her better. Wish I were Heather. Watch as she stands with her holding your hands. Put your arm around her shoulder. Now I'm getting colder, but how could I hate her? She's such an angel, but then again kinda wish she were it as she walks by. What a sight for so